Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 28, and we're wrapping up our deep dive into Pandas. In this video, we'll cover merging and joining datasets, working with time series data, and exporting data to various formats. Let's get started. Merging and joining datasets is essential when working with multiple data sources. Let's start by merging two data frames. You can merge data frames using the merge function. For example, let's merge two data frames on a common column ID. You can also perform different types of joins like left, right, and outer joins. For example, let's do a left join. Time series data is common in many fields, and Pandas provides excellent support for it. Let's explore how to work with time series data. You can create a date-time index and perform operations on time series data. For example, let's create a data frame with date-time index. You can also resample the data to different frequencies. For example, let's resample the data to a weekly frequency. Exporting data is crucial for sharing and storing your work. Let's see how to export data frames to different formats. You can export data frames to CSV, Excel, and JSON formats using Pandas. For example, let's export a data frame to a CSV file. And that's how you can easily export your data to various formats using Pandas. And there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at more advanced data manipulation techniques with Pandas. You've learned how to merge and join datasets, work with time series data, and export your data to different formats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 29. Keep coding and happy data manipulating.